Yeah, one of the famous temple in Cambodia as well, because this temple after the Hollywood actor Angelina Jolie, she make the film called Lara Croft, or most people they call Tomb Raider. Yeah, that used to call this temple, and this temple is very different between Angkor Wat and between Bayon Temple or Lady Temple, because this temple is more natural. Look at around me, very peaceful. The sound is from the cicada, yeah, and so in here is really peaceful for visit. This temple, you might be see how it's unbelievable with the nature, yeah, and with the ruling. Normally, you might be always see a tree grow on the ground, but now I'm going to show you how it's unbelievable a tree grow on the roof of this ruling. Yeah, of this ruling. Yeah, you might be see the tree is more bigger side than me around 2 or 3 times. Yeah, grow on the roof of the ruling, and it's really unbelievable. Maybe you can come to see your real, but now let's join with my video, or you can choose by my clip. I'm going to show you around here. This temple have been built by Khmer king that he built for his mother, that we call Jaya Varman the 7th. How it make the tourist famous, how it become the tourist destination, I will be show you, but you got to go with me, you got to follow me. Okay, are you ready? Let's start to see how it's amazing inside there. Come on with me. Okay. very hot. After this, this is a last place that you can enjoy with the view. Wow, very beautiful. The sound from cicada, I can say the natural music, will be uh, bring you feeling more nature. But just look at this view, yeah, amazing. The temple and with the tree there, yeah, with that, and with the beehive on the top there. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope all you guys will be come here to get a good view, to get a real adventure from your eye. This is some idea I can give you, yeah, for your traveling. Yeah, you don't forget to come here to see how is amazing of the Tomb Raider, yeah, in Cambodia, Angkor Wat Park. Super unbelievable. See you soon when you are here. Bye. Yeah, this is my time. Next time, your, right? Okay. Bye. Bye bye.